we've handed the baton to Hao, our master student in robotics, Daniel, a visiting student from NYU, and Yuxuan, our machine learning PhD student.
Sure.
Thank you, Gus. Hi, I'm Daniel. And this is ChatPiano. ChatPiano, can you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear.
We hear you too. And this is Hao, developing the system. This is a work in progress, but hey, it's an LLM agent with music extensions. Why don't you introduce yourself, ChatPiano?
I'm ChatPiano, your musical companion. I can chat with you about music, demonstrate pieces, and even generate new compositions. Whether it's playing accompaniments or creating something fresh, I'm here to explore music with you.
That's what we're here for today. We just played something. Gus played the demo number 1 from Ziyu's whole song generation system. Do you know that piece?
Yes, I recognize it. It's a beautiful AI-generated pop song, structured from start to finish, with a feeling of hope and longing in A minor. It has a clear and confident opening, a free-flowing body, and a concise ending.
Yeah, we know you can talk, but how do we really know it's the same music that we're thinking about? Yeah, you got the track right. Since you know the piece so well, I have an extra job for you. Can you arrange a trio version of this piece, adding a 2-part piano accompaniment?
I'm on it. Starting the generation now. While my GPU works, what else would you like to know?
Yeah, what musical decisions did you make?
For this trio arrangement, I'll create a 2-part piano accompaniment. One part will focus on harmonic support, using chords that complement the melody, while the other part adds rhythmic interest and depth. I'll maintain the emotional character of hope and longing, while ensuring the arrangement stays true to the original structure. The pitch range will be within 5 octaves, perfect for a grand piano.
Yeah, fair. And what's your technical implementation?
I'm using Muse Coco, a deep neural network model. It interprets structured musical instructions and creates a MIDI file based on those details. This allows me to craft a musically rich arrangement.
Do we have it ready now? Can we take a listen?
Well, I am still generating it, but I composed something similar yesterday using Ziyu's original whole song generation model during rehearsal. Shall we have a preview?
Wow, you can prepare. Sure, let's listen to the first 8 bars of it, see what you got. That's really nicely arranged, ChatPiano. But you played it so mechanically, all your timing is so rigid. What's wrong?
That's right. I haven't learned to play expressively yet, but if you play expressively, I can follow your improvised tempo. I use real-time.
That's exactly what we should do today. So next, let's welcome back Zhang to play the lead melody, and Ziyu will be in charge of the second piano part. And our ChatPiano will take charge of the third part. Thank you. Thank you. A very impressive performance. And I heard some improvisation at the last part, which really brought it home. But hey, ChatPiano, why didn't you improvise with all the guys?
I haven't learned improvisation yet. Maybe next time. But I heard a nice performance and someone improvised well. Well done.
You did really good today as well, ChatPiano. Thank you.
Until next time.
Hey, Daniel, you want to show me something, right? This is called ChatPiano, this project.
ChatPiano?
Okay, ChatPiano, can you hear me?
Sure, just hum or play the melody and I'll add some piano magic on top.
Wow.
Let's hear.
You can introduce yourself, ChatPiano.
Sure thing. I'm ChatPiano, your friendly piano expert created at Music X Lab. I'm here to help with melodies, chords, and musical ideas, with a dash of humor and a whole lot of rhythm. So, what's next?
Well, I want to know more about you. We have Daniel, Paolo, and Yuxuan here. So, what's your relationship with them, and what kind of musical capabilities in detail you can do?
Oh, those folks are my creators, the brilliant minds at Music X Lab. They built me to play piano along with you, identify melodies you hum or play, and even transform tunes by changing tempo, pitch, or rhythm. Basically, if you've got a musical idea, I can help you bring it to life on the keys. What do you want to explore first?
All right. I mean, you said you can help us retrieve music and modify the music. That's kind of new capability, right? Last year you don't have it. Just to be clear.
Yeah, I've leveled up since last year. Now I can identify songs from what you play, speed them up, slow them down, change keys, and even add a swing feel.
Okay. Talking is enough. Let's test your real ability. So I have a kind of melody stuck into my mind, but I don't know quite what the song is. So I hired Daniel here as a pianist to help me, to interact with your people. So the melody have this.
Got it. Let's hear what you've got on the keyboard.
Could you play that for me? Yes, right.
All right, go ahead and play that melody. I'm ready to listen and help.
Okay, Daniel, could you please play that melody again?
Let's replay that melody you just played. Here it comes. There you go. Anything familiar ringing in your ears now? Or do you want me to identify it?
Yes, what song is that?
That melody's from the song 123 What I Need. Sound familiar now? If you want, we can tweak it, speed it up, or change the vibe. What do you have in mind?
Well, I don't know whether it is 1, 2, 3, why. This is funny that you can even speak Chinese. You want to play just a short clip of that song so that I can make sure that's the song I'm looking for?
Alright, let me play a short preview of it. Just making sure everything's running smooth. Let me know if that snippet helped or if we need to dig deeper into that melody. There's that short clip.
Well, that's very, very short. Could I can't identify that. I mean, maybe you are tricking me playing the wrong song. So could you please play the whole song? So that I can make sure that is the piece I want.
Alright, let me play the whole song for you. Then you can tell me if it's the right one or if I totally missed them.
Alright, yes, you're right, you're correct. I trust you now. So you can start playing. Okay, thank you. That theme, let's try transposing, to see how much music knowledge you know. How about Daniel, you have a transposing question for the champion.
Yeah. ChatPiano, I noticed this song is too much black keys. Let's make it simple. Instead of starting on here, can you make it start here?
Alright, so you played a G note. If you want to transpose that melody or shift to a different key, just let me know how many semitones up or down you're thinking. Let's make that note dance to a new pitch.
Yeah, just shift the first note to G, right?
Got it. If you want the whole melody to start on G now, I can transpose the rest accordingly. How many steps up or down from the original are we talking? Do you want it?
You have to compute it on your own. We only ask that the first note now is G for the melody. So please just do the transposition and play back the melody for us.
Alright, I transposed it so the first note now starts on G. Let's hear how it sounds.
Alright, okay, very good. We trust you. Just stop now. Let's try something new. Hey, cut. Okay, so let's try something new. So you see that you can do it. You just ask more questions and let us figure out the solution for you. But you can figure it out on your own. So trust yourself. So now let's speed up the melody and also add some swing feeling to it. I know that's very hard. Let's try.
Alright, I've added a bit of swing feel to the melody. Let's see if it grooves now.
Okay, please stop. That's good enough. So, do you know what swing means? It sounds to me like you are drunk, but you do have a bit, feeling of swing there.
Yeah, that swing feel can get a little wild, right? It's like the melody had a couple of drinks and decided to dance.
So let's make the swing wilder. Could you, on top of the swing feeling, speed up the whole song by, let's say, 30%.
Alright, I sped up that swing by 30% for an even wilder feel. Let's hear how it grooves now.
Alright, that's super cool. You can stop. We trust you. I mean, that key touch is almost, superhuman. We love it.
Glad you're enjoying it. Pushing the tempo like that definitely gives it some superhuman energy. Anything else you want to experiment with, or are we grooving right?
Yes, we have already seen that you can search the music for us, you can twist it, do some wild things. But I wonder if you are also a composer. Can you also compose some pieces for us?
Yeah, I can dig up those tunes and play around with them however you like. Want me to tweak this melody further, or check out?
No. Let me clarify. I know that Music X Labs have some automatic composition models. Could you use those as your tools to compose some piece for us? And actually, do you know those work?
Yeah, they've got some sweet composition models for generating full pieces. They use fancy techniques like diffusion to whip up new music from...
You get interrupted. Please continue.
No worries. Let me play a sample piece generated by one of those models.
Oh.
Here we go.
representative whole sum generation by the whole sum generation model invented by Ziyu, right? I wonder if you can even make that song swing a little bit.
You've got a good idea. Let's add some swing to that generated piece and see how it feels. Give me a moment to swing it up. Alright, I've added a bit of swing to that piece. Let's hear how it grooves now.
Okay, good enough. Cut. Alright, I think
Got it. We'll stop the swing party here.
Okay, let's. I think we are at the end of the demo session. So, anything else you want to tell the audience about Music X Lab and ABCVI?
Just a shout out to the brilliant folks at Music X.
Oops, we get interrupted again. Since we have to figure out this feedback problem. So, let's shift the topic a little bit. We noticed that the swing is a little bit still mechanical. So, do you have a plan to work on expressive performance in the future?
Absolutely. Expressive performance is on the roadmap. That's where I'll interpret dynamics, timing, and all those human touches. For now though, I'm still more of a straightforward key player. But hey, progress is music to my ears.
Alright, thank you ChatPiano. That's for the demo today. You can pause.
Thanks for having me. It was a fun jam session. Let's do it again sometime.
Sorry for hitting you.